Right, moving right along, 1045, DeSorbo versus DeSorbo. And
the basis of our motion is the following. As the court is well aware, this case has been going on for quite some time. You inherited it from Gary Trugman and Ms. McCarthy. And to give you some context to the relevance of the experts, if Your Honor recalls, our presumption was going to be that to the extent that Mr. Trugman or Ms. McCarthy were going to augment their originally, as Your Honor may recall, your pretrial order requires a disclosure of experts 90 days prior to calendar call. However, we reached an agreement. We agreed that that would be delayed. One of the issues in this case is we got to figure out what the valuation date was. Your Honor actually entered that order, and you entered an order on July 19th, 2019, and you determined that the valuation date in this matter was going to be DeSorbo retained his 32.5% ownership. One of the reasons the statute is set forth the way it is that we all know what we're, number one, prejudice our position, clearly. But number two, it's just 3 minutes of rebuttal, Your Honor.
Okay, counsel.
Thank you. Let me talk about David Cowherd first. There's absolutely no basis to strike Mr. Cowherd's report because Mr. Cowherd has obviously that changed. And if you fast forward a year to this past June, Judge, we were scheduled for a valuation trial before you. You might remember we came in front of you for a case management conference in June, and the parties all agreed that Aldo's claims and Anthony's claim were intertwined. There are a number of claims that should therefore all be brought together. And so we jointly asked you to upload it as well. That stand for the proposition that it would be an abuse of discretion to strike an expert proposition that it's appropriate to strike an expert witness who's been timely disclosed under the operative trial order. We've provided to you a number of cases. I believe they were uploaded as well that stand for the proposition that it would be an abuse of discretion uploaded as well that stand for the proposition. We've provided to you a number of cases. I believe they were uploaded as well that stand for the proposition that it would be an abuse of discretion to strike an expert witness who has been having to pay any damages. All of these are in our affirmative defenses, Judge.
Okay, so if I could just,